What would Mitt Romney do with taxes? We asked Jan Crawford to fill us in. Jan?
Well, Scott, Romney is not calling for immediate radical change. He would keep personal income taxes at their current rates for now. But there are several key changes that he says will encourage savings and spur job creation. Unlike the other Republican plans, Romney's is more targeted to the middle class.
Anyone earning under $200,000 a year, I would propose pay no tax whatsoever on their savings. I think the people who've been most hurt in the Obama economy should be able to save money tax-free.
That means Romney would eliminate the tax on dividends, interest, and capital gains only for people who make less than $200,000 a year. He would make other changes that affect all taxpayers, including permanently extending the Bush tax cuts, which lowered individual income tax rates and cut the child tax credit in half, eliminating the estate tax and cutting the corporate tax rate from 35% to 25%.
Thanks, gentlemen.
Romney says these are just the first wave of reforms and that he will seek to reshape the entire tax code to make it, as he puts it, fairer, flatter, and simpler.
It's far too complex, it's far too intrusive, it's far too great. I'd like to lower the rates, broaden the base, get our rates down, and get a pro-growth tax policy in this country.
Now, some conservatives, including the Wall Street Journal, have criticized Romney's plan as being too timid. They say it doesn't go far enough to lower taxes now. But Romney's advisors tell me he will have a more comprehensive plan, Scott. He just thinks these changes can get done right away, and that's why he's proposing them first.
Jan, thanks very much. We wondered if the federal deficit might increase under the Romney and Gingrich plans, so we talked to the nonpartisan Tax Policy Center in Washington. It estimates that if the Bush tax cuts stay in place, the Romney plan would add $180 billion to the deficit in the year 2015. The Gingrich plan would add $850 billion that year. But remember, the candidates argue that cutting taxes would create so many businesses and jobs that ultimately there would be more tax revenue, not less.